And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. We dance first 3 steps of natural turn, continued by open impetus. Notice man's heel turn here. We finish in promenade position. And then chasse from promenade position, syncopated timing. From here we dance closed wing and double reverse spin. Ladies heel turn here. Open telemark, another heel turn. We finish in promenade position and we dance hover corte from promenade and outside change. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and we start preparation. Man facing diagonally to wall. Natural turn, we move diagonally to wall, then down line of dance into open impetus, which we finish ready to move diagonally to center with chasse from promenade position. We continue in same direction with closed wing, then double reverse spin diagonally to center. We start and we finish down line of dance with open telemark, which we finish diagonally to wall, hover corte into corner and diagonally to center of new line of dance, outside change. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.